Hello! Welcome to Teacher Dom's online teaching class at Wat Madua School, Nonthaburi, Thailand. Come and let's learn together.
Online lesson for Thai young learners. Online lesson for Thai young learners. Math for grade 2. Math for grade 2. Volume. Volume and capacity. Volume and capacity. At the end of the lesson, the students will be able to: number 1, measure the volume of liquids and capacities of container, and number 2, tell the volume and capacity in liters and milliliters. Let's have a warm-up. Are you ready? The following are our key words: volume, capacity, maximum, measuring cup, measuring jug, liter, milliliters, teaspoon, tablespoon, jug, battle, glass, bowl. Do you notice that we use different containers to hold water in our daily life? Each container is filled with different volumes of water. What is volume? The amount of water in a liquid container is called the volume of the liquid. The amount of water in a liquid container is called the volume of the liquid. What is capacity? Here, the jug is half filled with water. What is capacity? Here, the jug is filled up with water. It shows the maximum of water it can hold. We can say it is the capacity of the jug. Here, the jug is filled with water. The jug is filled up with water. It shows the maximum of water it can hold. We can say it is the capacity. We can say it is the capacity of the jug. The jug is filled up with water. It shows the maximum of water it can hold. We can say it is the capacity of the jug. Capacity is the maximum volume of a liquid a container holds. Capacity is the maximum volume of liquid a container holds. You see here, it's filled up with water up to 1 liter. To measure volume and capacity, we use teaspoons, tablespoons, or cups. Sentence structure number 1. Volume. Volume. What is the volume of water in the bowl? What is the volume of water in the bowl? The volume of water in the bowl is tablespoons. The volume of water in the bowl is tablespoons. What is the volume of water in the glass? What is the volume of water in the glass? The volume in the glass is 5 teaspoons. The volume in the glass is 5 teaspoons. What is the volume of water in the bowl? What is the volume of water in the bowl? The volume in the bowl is 6 teaspoons. The volume in the bowl is 6 teaspoons. What is the volume of water in the jug? What is the volume of water in the jug? The volume in the jug is 3 cups. The volume in the jug is 3 cups. Sentence structure number 2. Capacity. Capacity. What is the capacity of water in the bowl? What is the capacity of water in the bowl? The capacity of water in the bowl is tablespoons. The capacity of water in the bowl is tablespoons. What is the capacity of the small bottle? What is the capacity of the small bottle? The capacity of the bottle is 17 teaspoons. The capacity of the bottle is 17 teaspoons. What is the capacity of the small glass? What is the capacity of the small glass? The capacity of the glass is 12 teaspoons. The capacity of the glass is 12 teaspoons. What is the capacity of the bottle? What is the capacity of the bottle? The capacity of the bottle is 3 cups. The capacity of the bottle is 3 cups. Math tips number 1. Math tips number 1. 1 tablespoon equals 3 teaspoons. 1 tablespoon equals 3 teaspoons. Math tips number 2. Math tips number 2. 1 cup equals 16 tablespoons. 1 cup equals 16 tablespoons. Now let's go to practice test A. Practice test A. Practice test guidelines. Practice test guidelines. Number 1. Students, learners should be assisted or guided by their parents or guardians while taking the online test. Number 2. Students, learners must complete answering online test from 1 to 10. Practice test number 1. Practice test number 1. What is the volume of liquid in the glass? What is the volume of liquid in the glass? The volume of liquid in the glass is teaspoons. The volume of liquid in the glass is teaspoons. Practice test number 2. Practice test number 2. What is the volume of juice in the glass? What is the volume of juice in the glass? The volume of juice in the glass is tablespoons. The volume of juice in the glass is tablespoons. Practice test number 3. Practice test number 3. What is the volume of all the water in the cups poured into the jug? What is the volume of all the water in the cups poured into the jug? The volume of water in the jug is cups. The volume of water in the jug is cups. Practice test number 4. Practice test number 4. What is the capacity of the bottle container? What is the capacity of the bottle container? The capacity of the bottle is teaspoons. The capacity of the bottle is teaspoons. Practice test number 4. Practice test number 4. What is the capacity of the bottle of milk? What is the capacity of the bottle of milk? The capacity of the bottle of milk is cups. The capacity of the bottle of milk is cups. Practice test B. Practice test B. Practice test number 5. Practice test number 5. Choose the object with less volume. Choose the object with less volume. Which object has less volume? Which object has less volume? Jug, jug, bowl, bowl. Practice test number 6. Practice test number 6. Choose the object with more volume. Choose the object with more volume. Which object has more volume? Which object has more volume? Gallon, gallon, bowl, bowl. Practice test number 7. Practice test number 7. Choose the object with more volume. Choose the object with more volume. Which object has more volume? Which object has more volume? Jug, jug, jar, jar. Practice test number 8. Practice test number 8. Choose the object with less volume. choose the object with less volume. Which object has less volume? Which object has less volume? Jug, jug, gallon, gallon. Practice test number 9. Practice test number 9. Choose the object with more volume. Choose the object with more volume. Which object has more volume? Which object has more volume? Gallon, gallon, battle, battle, battle. Practice test number 10. Practice test number 10. Choose the object with more volume. Choose the object with more volume. Which object has more volume? Which object has more volume? Gallon, gallon, barrel, barrel. Thanks a lot for following this online lesson for Thai learners at Wat Madua School, Nonthaburi, Thailand. Keep learning and follow Teacher Dom's online teaching class. See you until the next online lesson.
Thanks a lot for listening. Please don't forget to click every part of this online teaching video and subscribe to Radom's Ipon. Bye!